Ito mga kugmuhon, panoorin natin ito si Marcoleta. Sinabun niya ang mga mainstream media. At ito ng mga mainstream media guys, maraming palusot pero sinabun sila ni Marcoleta guys. Alam niyo naman ang mga mainstream media ngayon, bias lahat, 'di ba? Hindi niya pinapalabas yung mga totoong ano. Buti na lang mayroon tayong mga kaibigang vlogger diyan na pinapalabas talaga yung ano yung totoong nangyayari. No, but before natin i-play guys, please follow sa aking Facebook page Kugman Reaction Vlog, sa ating TikTok account Kugman Reaction Vlog, at sa ating YouTube account Kugman Reaction Vlog. So hindi natin patatagalin to guys. Play na natin ang video, play video.
Tatlong oras ang sasandayan.
Hindi namin yun mailalabas lahat.
Hindi binabanggit ang pangalan.
Palusot.
It happens, sir. In the end,
It happens a lot, actually.
The reporter will decide for
Yung
himself.
rally namin, 4 lang kaming nagsalita. Yung 3, these are members of the hierarchy. Na-mention ang pangalan.
No,
So
yun.
parang sinasabi niyo po na left out kayo.
Ako ang nagsalita ng pinakamahaba na 1 hour and I provided the context. Kasi ako lang ang pwedeng magsalita noon, hindi sila. Ako lang. Ma'am, kahit na ba isang sentence lang?
Diba?
That doesn't necessarily mean that they did not see you or mind you. It's just that perhaps, I can't speak for the reporters because I was not there. But it's also possible that the reporters in the end thought na ito yung kailangan ko ilagay na
Oh my God. Ed, ang lalaki ng billboard na yan. And this rally reverberated in the entire country because there were 13 other areas. The first is in Luneta. There are other 12 areas
Kaya nga.
in Mindanao. Andun ako lahat.
Okay.
Tapos hindi man lang ako na... Why would you not mention me, madam?
Hindi,
Why so?
hindi ko po
Hindi
alam
ko
yun.
po alam mo na.
Hindi, yun ang inaano.
Wala
Kaya
na.
nga sinasabi ko, kasi maganda yung tanong ni Ma'am Sylvie. Hindi ka ba trust kasi... So how can you tell this? How do you describe what's happening in this country?
So you don't believe in the survey? You
Not
think,
anymore.
You
Huwag kayong
think
maniwala
po
sa survey.
Ay, naaapektuhan yung pulso ng masa sa mga lumalabas na survey. Nakakaapekto po yun.
Yun ang aking ikinalulungkot at ikinatatakot. It could be a mind-setting strategy. Kasi, pero pag
survey
pinagano kayo
pwedeng
ng online
manipulahin.
ngayon,
Ha?
tingnan nyo yung mga ano ng online na bakit ako yung palagi number 1 sa online naman. I'm not saying na totoo rin yung ano, but tingnan naman ninyo, wala ako doon.
Pero pasok kayo sa online.
Pagkatapos sa online, number 1 ako.
I just have to take note of this particular point kasi we cannot just say na palibasa hindi po lumabas yung pangalan niyo doon sa dyaryo. Hindi ibig sabihin po na kayo single out.
What does that
Yun.
mean?
Hindi po, that does not mean that you were singled out.
Hindi po kami nagsisingle
Or
out
taken
ng kahit
out.
sino.
I think that's also unfair
Yes.
to talk to reporters and editors that way po. I'm sorry, but...
And I am talking about 8 reporters.
Yes, sir.
Nag-isa yung isip nila na hindi nila ako nakita. I spoke for at least an
correct.
hour. Escudero was not there. At nag-send lang siya ng text message.
Reaction
He
na
earned
lang
8 pages of that report.
Grabe.
I don't know how we'll justify that.
Sir,
I'm not saying na, well, I guess, baka say baka...
Hindi po kami nagsisingle.